Alright, I did it. Took the boggers on the Gen 8. Of course, they look good. SX's, my cool little hubs. Been sick, but I'm gonna try to make a running video today. We'll see. Only downfall of those tall tires is it rolls a little easier, but not much. It still climbs big time, in my opinion. And sometimes it outclimbs this one, but this one seems unstoppable, even with the diffs unlocked. But I need to get off my butt and do lights too. So, and these lights have been flickering. I gotta get behind there and figure out why. I think it's a resistor or something. But yep, I'll make a running video. Thanks, guys.